The question is you are given a 7 cross 7 grid, and in that grid you are initially at position 0 comma 0, and you have to move from here, from this position to this position, uh, by following the path given by this string. Okay, so the string will be of 48 character, which means that you have to cover each and every cell available in this grid. So total available cell in this grid is 49 because it is a 7 cross 7 grid, and you are initially at this position. So rest rest are 48 cells left. So uh, you have to cover all of these 48 cells while moving from this position to this position. Okay, uh, and you have to follow this string as well. If the value of the string is a question mark, then what we then you have four options. You can either move up, down, left, or right. But if it is like right, then you have to move right. If it is up, then you have to move up. And if it is low, then you have to move L, then you have to move l- down. No, you have to move left. And if it is D, then you have to move down. Okay. Uh, yeah. So, so you have come here. Most probably, you have written the DFS algorithm to solve this problem, and your solution would have been given you TLA. That's why you come here. So, I will tell you that why your solution was given TLA and how you can optimize it. Okay. So, uh, let me tell you how you can optimize it. Okay. Uh, before saying telling it. First of all, you should remember that you have to cover each and every cell of the grid. You can't left any one of them because if you will not cover some of the grid, then definitely the length of the path will not be 48. Okay, so you have to cover each and every cell of the grid. Secondly, you don't have to cross the path, like you can't cross. If you are going like this, then again you can't go here, you can't cross it. So these two things you have to keep it in mind. Okay. uh, Now let me tell you how you can optimize it. So let's suppose you this is visited, and this is also visited. Okay, and you are coming from here to here. Okay, and now you have two options. You can either go up or you can go down. Let's suppose you decided to go up. Now, if you have decided to go up, is it possible to cover this cell? I am claiming that it is not possible. Let me tell you how. So, see, this is visited means this is visited before. So, there must be some path from here to here. Okay, that's why you came from here to here. Okay, so this must be if it is visited, then there must be a path from this cell to this cell. Okay, and now you are currently at this cell. Is it possible to go here on this cell? This is not possible because you will definitely cross the path, and it is not allowed to cross the path. That's why you you can't visit this cell if you go up. It is not possible to visit this cell as well. Okay. So whenever you will reach this position, this situation in during the DFS traversal, you will simply return. You will terminate the process. Okay. So this will help you to optimize the code. Uh, Okay. So this is one case when you can prune or you can terminate case. There is one more case. It is like it is very similar to this one when these two cell are visited. So let's suppose this is visited previously and you are currently here. You came here and then you decided to go here. So again, if you have visited this cell before, then there must be some path from here to here. Okay. So you can't, if you are here right now, then you can't go here on this cell without crossing the path. Okay. So whenever we encounter this situation or this situation, we'll simply prune the graph or terminate the graph, whatever you can say. Terminate the DFS traversal. Okay, so let me show you how I have implemented it. So this is a visited array. This is a string, and I have taken string as an input. Okay, now this is the condition when this is a base case. Whenever you will reach the you will reach this position. Let me show you. Whenever you will reach this position, the index of this position is 6 comma 0. Okay, so whenever you will reach the final position, then again you will check that whether the length, whether I have traversed whole string or not. If you have traversed this string completely, and then the index will be 48, then you will return 1, otherwise you will return 0. Okay, uh, and now let me tell you the pruning logic. So here I am checking that whether going up is possible or not. So here I am checking bound that if I minus 1 is that it is it is within the grid or not. So this is checking that it is within the grid or not, and this is the visited. It should be not visited. So if the upper cell is not visited and it is it is within the cell within the grid, then moving up is possible. Similarly, moving down, left possible, right possible. Now I will check that I will here see left possible, right possible, not up possible, not down possible. So I am checking this condition. Here left is possible, right is possible, but up is not possible and down is not possible. If I encounter this situation, then I will simply return 0. Similarly, um, uh, if left is not possible, means left is already visited or it is out of bound, and right is not possible, but up and down is possible. So this case, left is not possible, right is not possible, but up and down is possible. Similarly, after that I am checking that if I am at some position like let's suppose I am here and and my and string index is at the last index more than one more than a last index, then I should return because I have traversed the whole string, so that's why it's return 0. Now I am marking the visited array 1 And then I am running simple DFS algorithm. If it is U, then I am checking that if up going up is possible or not. If going up is possible, then I am simply adding it into my answer. If it is D, then I will check that if going down is possible or not. Similarly, this and this. Now, if the current if the is- is the value of a string at the current index is question mark, then I will see that if going up is possible, then if going up is possible, then I will add this. This is simple DFS algorithm, and if going down is possible, then I will add it into the answer. If going left is possible, going right is possible, and in the end, I will unmark my digit array because I there might be multiple paths, so I have to check each of the path. That's why I need to backtrack. So uh, that's why I am marking visited array unvisited. In the end, I have returned the answer. So this is the solution. This solution will work. So the answer coming here is 88418, and my string is all of them are question mark. So when all of them will be question mark, then the answer will be this 88418. It is a total number of paths. You can see 88418 is a total number of paths. Okay, thank you.